Now, I'm going to explain very important part of the current electricity, or which we call simply the current. So current is also called as current electricity. Now it is electroplating. So today we will see electroplating. Electroplating may be defined as a process of coating a layer of less reactive metal on more reactive metal. Write down. It may be defined as the coating or deposition of a thin layer of less reactive metal on the more reactive metal surface by taking it into a suitable salt solution, and with the help of electricity. So this takes place by taking the solution of that metal which has to be deposited. This is a very important point. In electroplating, the metal which has to be deposited, its solution in water is taken, and the object on which it has to be deposited is dipped into it. I'm going to explain. And then current is passed. So this is electroplating. And in electroplating, this is also very important, that less reactive metal on the surface of this coating of deposition of thin layer of less reactive metal on more reactive metal. So it is very important to note that less reactive metal can only be deposited on the more reactive surface. More reactive cannot be deposited. So this is by passing current. More reactive can be deposited only by dipping in molten solution. Molten metal, like galvanization. So in galvanization, more reactive metal, that is zinc, is coated on the iron objects, iron substances, to prevent the rusting or corrosion. So this is the definition or statement of electroplating. Now in electroplating, a vessel is taken. In laboratory, you can take a beaker, but this vessel, it is called as electrolytic vessel. In this, basically, electrolysis takes place. Electrolysis, electrocurrent, license to break. So breaking of molecules by passing current. So here, just I am making this silver trophy. This is trophy. It is made up of silver. This is silver trophy. Now we have to deposit gold metal on this. Gold metal on this. So we'll take here, this gold here. Just I am drawing it. Thick gold. So this is gold. Gold plate. Gold plate is there. And there are the connections. So here this silver trophy, it has to be connected, and it has also to be connected to the battery. But this and this are connected separately to the separate terminals. The battery has positive and negative. So here it is, this is battery. See here, and we draw like this, and so here let it be this battery, and this contains a solution. So here we take the this is gold solution, gold salt solution more accurately. In this we take the gold salt solution. Solution of gold salt is taken, and this gold plate, it has to be made positive and it has to be made negative. Let it this is, suppose we write here battery, and let it here be the switch. Switch is there. So this is switch is it is this close, so the current is flowing. So this is the switch, battery. So current is passed. On passing, what happens? We are supplying energy. We are supplying energy. So gold atoms from this gold plate, it is positive. So they undergo oxidation. What they undergo? Oxidation. What is oxidation? Loss of electrons. So this positive is called anode. Positive plate is called anode. Negative plate is called cathode. So you may keep in mind, anode is positive, cathode is negative. So at cathode there is one reaction, at anode there is other reaction. Now see how reactions takes place. So the reactions will take place in this manner here. So at anode there is oxidation, and what is oxidation? Loss of electrons. So gold is there, so gold loses electrons. Gold loses electrons, and there is formation of gold ions. Gold ions are formed. Gold ions. So this is gold ions. This is gold atom. So this is at the node. At the node there is what? Oxidation. There is oxidation. Now coming to this, at cathode. So when oxidation is taking at so what happens? There will be reduction. In chemistry, oxidation and reduction both take place together. So here there will be reduction. Oxidation is loss of electrons, so reduction will be the gain of electrons. So here, there is a circuit, and so circuit is, complete. What happens? Gold ions, they will be here. We have taken the gold salt solution, gold plate also gold plate is taken to provide excess amount of iron. So here it will have, you know, the gold ions, you know, throughout gold ions will be present. And so what happens, you know, this positive, this here, negative here. So current will flow from positive to negative. So current will flow like this, and this will be the direction of, you know, flow of, you know, current, and this is current, and here the electrons will flow just opposite. So here at this electrons will be there. You know, negative has excess of electrons. So this gold ions will take up 3 electrons from, you know, electrons are, you know, moving. Electrons are moving. So electrons are in excess quantity, and as a result, this gold atom will be deposited. Gold atom will be deposited slowly and slowly. So this is the electroplating. So electroplating is done for different purposes. Electroplating is done for different purposes, and the purposes, you know, are different. So we'll see the benefits of electroplating. So benefits of electroplating. What are the benefits of electroplating? Benefits of electroplating. So first point is beautification. Beautification of inferior metals. You know, beautification means we improve the beauty. We make it, you know, more expensive. Like, you know, silver is deposited with gold. So, you know, gold is most expensive. So, like this. So, beautification of the, you know, metals. So, this is first point. Now, second point is prevent reactivity of more reactive metals. More reactive metals by covering them with less reactive metal. So we apply very thin layer electroplating. So this is the second point, prevent reactivity. You know, you might have seen in our homes there are many decorative pieces. Decorative pieces, they are made up of basically copper, but they are coated by silver. Similarly, the ornaments, you know, artificial ornaments, they are made up of, you know, silver, but they are coated by gold. You know, so this is the other. We prevent. This is the beautification. Third, aesthetic value of the object is enhanced or increased. The objects becomes more, you know, beautiful. So this is the meaning of aesthetic sense or aesthetic value. Now next is you know, preventing easy damage of inferior metals, inferior particles by coating with superior metals. Like everyone to see at your home in the kitchen, there is a glass door. It is written either it is chrome plated or it is nickel plated. They are made up of made up of a steel, but the steel can also undergo reaction. So the stainless steel is coated with nickel or chromium. Only two. It is written. It is if it is good quality gas stove, so it is necessary to mention nickel coated, chromium coated, etc.